This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Roblox language. Follow these easy steps to change your Roblox language. Open your Roblox and sign into your account. Then click on this gear icon, settings. Once you are in your settings page, here select account info, scroll down and here you will get language. Click on this drop down, and now from this available language list you can select any language that you want to use. And this is how you will be able to change your Roblox language. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.